Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Kisslove and they sent me over this beautiful pre-styled curved side part body wave lace wig. Now when I say pre-styled, I mean she came with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. She also came with this beautiful curl as well as the layer already done for me. The icing on the cake is it also had that nice beautiful drawstring as an amazing upgrade, and I could not ask for a better install for this week. Now as we are in the month of February, Lovers Month, this is the perfect like holiday Valentine's Day special occasion wig. You know that wig that you wear on an everyday basis and when they see you they're like, oh, where are you going? You got a date? You got a special occasion? This is that girl, and she really is going to be my everyday wig. No special occasion needed because she's absolutely fire. I'll have all the details and a direct link to this beautiful girl in the description box. Let me know what you think about her down below. I mean, look at the curl, look at the bounce. I mean, wait a minute, let me just show you guys. Now watch, I'm gonna just shake it. Look at how that comes into place. It definitely gives like beautiful, sexy blowout bedroom curls. Even the viral heatless curls, like this gives that, but better. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. I'll have a direct link, as I mentioned, and all the details in the description box. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Late night, city light, feel the bass in my heartbeat. We gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. Vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. It's my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night, city lights. If you dreaming, you alive.
Bedeck in the spotlight. Sun up, hair tied, moving on a mission. Kids yelling mom every 5 minutes. Coffee in hand, but the cup's half missing. Still making magic like a mom, a magician. Packing up lunches, find a missing shoe. Somebody spilled juice, nothing new. Husband laughing, babe, how do you do? I just smile like watch, I always pull through. Juggling the house, the love, the crew. Running on grace, but the strength feels new. Some days crazy, some days smooth. But love is the rhythm I dance right through. It's a mom life, Ashley, but living in a high life. Wife life, dance mom nights under bright lights. Sports mom sidelines. clothes tight. Glitter on the floor, even late at night. Mom, can you film this? Mom, can you pray right? Yeah, baby, hold still, we'll get it just right. Then game day hits, now we switch the lanes. Cleats in the trunk, sunshine and rain. Screaming in the stands like the team's last game. Rocking that jersey like it carries her name. And when a house gets loud, she breathes it in. Messy moments of memory she'll keep within. It ain't perfect, but it's perfect how our days begin. Love multiplies every time she pours it in. This is mom life, Ashley been living in the highlight. Wife life, dance mom nights under bright lights. Sports mom sidelines, cheering with the crowd hype. Yeah, we do it all, but we do it with a warm smile. It's the mom mouth, balancing it all with a little bit of God style. Even when the world goes wild, she's still steady with the love that goes the extra mile. From the carpool lanes to the late night chores, to the hugs from the kids she's fighting for. Ashley Bedeck, she's the heart, the core. Mom life, but it's love even more, even more. Yeah, Ashley Bedeck. Yeah, family love, we locked in. Yeah, let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Who's been by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Dance mom days, big bows on deck. Sports mom nights, whole crowd on flex. Running up miles, but I never feel stressed. Cause I do it for the fam, yeah, I know we blessed. Switch lanes quick when the schedule tight. Still show love when we kiss goodnight. Kiss on
Okay, love bugs, really quickly, today is actually the next day. It's super rainy here in LA, so my curls did drop a little bit more than expected yesterday, but as you guys see in the beginning of the video, they still were popping, right? But I just wanted to show you really quickly what I do, or how I do, like on second day hair. Still a very quick and easy install and maintenance. I did take my wig off last night for bedtime, so today I just put it back on, and I literally could have just put it back on, put the melt belt that they provided back on really quickly so that it can just, you know, lay back down and remember it was that girl the day before, and then, you know, let it set for a couple of minutes and then take it off. And any kind of like lace tint, that's also important to touch up if needed. Usually second day you don't have to touch up the lace tint unless you're doing like a whole new thing, but for picture and video sake, sometimes the video is a little bit more unforgiving, if you will. So I did go ahead and touch that up, and this is the look. You guys can see I don't touch up the whole hair, especially when it has such body as this one does. I kind of do like a top layer, and that's something that I just learned from my mom watching her do her hair back in the 90s, and that is something that we'll always do, because who has time to do their whole head when the whole head is already tea anyways. Let's get to the outro on this video, and Let's get it. Okay, love bugs, we are done with the look and she's absolutely gorgeous. I even showed you guys in the back, there is the drawstring, which literally is like magic. Now this one can fit many size shape heads, but you guys can literally see the transformation and how it melts just with the click or the pull or the tug of the drawstring. I showed you guys when I lifted up when I first put it on, it did not fit snug. So like my big headed little cousin, she can go ahead and put this one on and it would fit her snug. But for my little tiny petite head, I was able to adjust it really quickly, and then you guys saw me lift it and it became a lot more taut. I mean, it can lift, but it wasn't going to slide back or fall off my head. And this is the result. We did use the melt belt that was provided along with a little bit of lace melt to really go in for the magic, and the lace tint was the icing on the cake. I also love the fact that this one came pre-styled with the curl as well as the I was gonna say the bang, but really I mean the baby hair. This one here is literally the definition of put it on and go. I did show you guys me curling or like recurling just as an option of what I would do for maintenance as far as the baby hair goes. And then you guys seen I did a quick little touch up on the bang. This one doesn't need that at all if I'm honest, but for me personally, I always like to just put my little own twist to things. So that's what I did, and I wanted to show you guys it was very easy to curl as well, and this is the result. So before we head out, I did want to show you guys the packaging. For starters, this one is a longer wig. I believe it's, for starters, it came in one of these packs, and typically when you have that little white thing in there, it's because the wig is like curled or styled, and then they put it in one of these to kind of like hold the curls so that they don't fall, you know, during the few days it takes to ship and handle. And then for course the wig itself came, and then of course this is the packaging. It does have that beautiful silver Kisslove logo with all of their social media handles. In mine, it's pretty heavy for the wig to not be in there anymore, so you guys know they spoiled me with tons of goodies. We got some 3D eyelashes. The girls have comp starting, or dance comp season is coming up, so these are the things I like to just throw into the dance bag as extras for anybody who may need lashes on the team. We also have a pack of HD wig caps, and these are invisible. I love these. You can even add a little lace tint on top if you need to match your complexion. They gave us a bunch of wig tape. I don't know if you can see the ripple effect in there, but there are most certainly quite a few sheets in there. You can lay some underneath your lace and on your skin and really make sure that your wig stays in place for your favorite occasions. And then we also got baby hair brush. This is exactly the one that I've been using today. I believe this is the one I use, and so I'm happy you guys can see these get really icky really easy between your edge control and your sprays. They kind of lock up, so it's nice to have a fresh one because I really like these. Of course, we got the melt belt, which I showed you, and it's like a little 3-piece set that they gave me. Your melt belt, and you have the bonnet to match. That way, you know, sometimes your melt belt will peek through your bonnet. It's like a cute little set. And the icing on the cake is they did give us the robe that also matched. So while I'm talking about all these special occasions to wear the hair, you have the robe to get ready in, the bonnet to keep it protected at night, as well as the melt belt. So you are literally good to go. I think I didn't realize, but this fell out. We also got a comb in here, and I'll update you if I find any other products, but we got a comb too, girls. So you don't need a comb. You got it right here for you. And of course it activates that Bobbiana, that curl, that bang. My daughter's here, so I'll be back. Speaking of go, I'm gonna head out. Be sure to check the description box. In it, you'll find a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.